Have you ever found yourself staring at a photo, wishing you could make it pop just a little more, but without breaking the bank on expensive software? Whether you're a social media enthusiast, a budding photographer, or just someone who loves to tweak images for fun, having a reliable photo editor on your computer can be a game changer. And let's face it, working on a larger screen than your phone makes the whole process so much easier. But here's the kicker: you don't need to spend a fortune on programs like Photoshop to get professional-looking results. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 free photo editors for Windows, Mac, and Linux that are not only powerful but also incredibly user-friendly. We'll also talk about some bonus picks. But first, let's build this community. Smash that like button if you're ready to level up, and subscribe for weekly tips that actually work. Let's go! Let's start with the best free photo editor you can get, and that is GIMP. This open-source powerhouse has been around since 1996 and is packed with tools that rival expensive software like Photoshop. It supports layers, advanced filters, color adjustments, and even works with Photoshop's PSD files. Yes, the interface can feel a bit clunky at first, especially if you're used to Photoshop, but you can customize it to suit your workflow. GIMP is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and it's the go-to editor for many professionals and hobbyists alike. If you're serious about photo editing, this is the one to try. Coming in at number 2 is Paint.net, a fan favorite for over 20 years. Originally released in 2004 as a more robust alternative to Microsoft Paint, this program has grown into a lightweight yet powerful editor. It supports layers, has a variety of special effects, and even allows for community-created plugins to extend its functionality. The interface is straightforward, with most tools located in the toolbar on the left. One of my personal favorites is the oil painting effect, which you can find under the Artistic menu. Paint.net is only available for Windows, but it's free to download from the developer's website, with an option to donate if you want to support the project. It's a great choice if you want something simple yet capable. At number 3 we have Krita, a free and open-source program that's a favorite among digital artists. While it's primarily designed for painting and illustration, it also has a robust set of photo editing tools. Krita supports layers, vector templates, masking, and over 100 professionally made brushes. The interface can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, but there's a detailed manual on their website to help you get started. Krita is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, making it a versatile choice for creatives. Next up is Photoscape X, a versatile editor that's perfect for those who want a bit more oomph without the complexity. This program is packed with features, filters, effects, collage-making tools, and even a screenshot tool. It also supports raw images, which is a big win for photographers. One standout feature is the cutout tool, which makes removing backgrounds a breeze. Plus, there are batch editing options if you're working with multiple images at once. When you first launch Photoscape X, it greets you with a list of tools and tutorials, making it beginner-friendly. The free version is available for Windows and Mac, and for most people, it's more than enough. If you need extra features, there's a paid version for around $40, but honestly, the free version covers the basics beautifully. Last but not the least, Microsoft Paint, the program we all used as kids to doodle and create pixelated masterpieces, has come a long way since its debut in 1985. For years, it was the butt of jokes in the tech community, but recent updates have transformed it into a surprisingly capable tool. Now, Paint supports layers. Yes, layers, giving you more creative control for complex edits. It also has a background removal tool that actually works pretty well. And if you're into digital art, the drawing tools are a nice touch. The interface has been modernized, with support for dark mode, and the tools are neatly organized at the top. There's even an AI image creator, though it's not entirely free. You get 50 credits to try it out. If you're looking for something simple and already built into your Windows system, give Paint a shot. It might just surprise you. Let's talk about some bonus picks. These are browser-based editors, so they're not in the top 5, but they're still worth checking out. Canva, perfect for creating social media posts and marketing materials. Pixlr offers two versions, Express for quick edits and Editor for more advanced work. Adobe Photoshop Express, a lightweight, free version of Photoshop with plenty of themes and filters. These are great options if you need something quick and don't mind working online. And there you have it, 5 free photo editors that can transform your images without costing you a dime. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something here for everyone. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.